Danger signs, NEC 300.5. This illustration deals with danger signs. And the purpose of the change is to provide a revision. The revision was made to clarify that the signal word danger is required in the sign. This promotes specific requirements to comply with ANSI Z535.4, which is also mentioned in 110.16 of the NEC. The revision removes the inconsistency related to using the word warning and provides appropriate reference to 110.21b, which triggers other important requirements for such signs as the need for durability for the environment. First, I would like to cover the danger high voltage keep out sign, 300.45, that's showing on the equipment. That has to be there to give a warning that the voltage is greater than 1,000 volts. And notice the danger sign, secondly, that I'd like to call out, is also listed in 300.45, 110.21b, 110.34c, 314.72e is in ed. And then notice, I would like to thirdly call out, see the red, that's a Z535.4 requirement, and that's immediate danger. And notice it says that danger indicates a hazard situation which, if not avoided, will kind of result in the death or serious injury. And then notice it tells you it's white text, white or red background. The next sign you see there is in orange, and it's a warning. And notice warning indicates a hazardous situation which, if not avoided, could result in death or serious injury. So a warning sign is letting you know that extra care must be taken, but it's not the imminent danger like removing a cover, and there you are. For example, you could have a cover that had danger on it, and usually when you open the cover up, right there, you're in the energized components immediately. But if you read Z535.4, I could open the cover and I could have an orange sign on it if you had to remove a second cover that would have the immediate danger sign listed there. So danger means, to me, when you read Z535.4, if you open a cover and you have exposed parts there, then you need the danger sign. If you could have the warning sign if you remove the cover and then move a second cover to get to the energized components and wiring and so forth, and then that would be red. Now, the yellow sign that you see next is caution. It indicates a hazard situation which, if not avoided, may result in minor or moderate injury, but you could be injured, so it's calling your attention to that. So I would recommend, if you really want to read up on this in detail, to see 110.16 and look at the informational note too. Look at 110.21b. Also look at NFPA 70E 130.5H. Notice the sign in 110.16 warns of the arc flash condition, and some other items are listed there. But notice when you go to 70E, then that's dealing with the arc flash information that you would need to warn the electrician of an arc flash condition. And then, of course, if you want to see all the information that you see it's listed here, danger, warning, and signal signs, just go to Z535.4. Now let's review the notes. Note 1, markings shall warn of hazards using effective words such as colors, symbols, or any combination thereof to comply really with 110.21b. Note 2, danger sign for over 1,000 volts must be readily visible per 300.45. So that's the reason that I caution you to be sure that you read the danger sign and read those 4 bullets there that deals with 300.45, 110.21b as in boy, 110.34c that's in car, and 314.72e that's in ed, where you have pull boxes, junction boxes, and things of that nature. And I think that pretty well would give you a good summary of what this new revision is all about.